go stuff later. Oh yeah, I want to off you guys.
We were in the middle of moving, and he threw it away. He laid there. No, I was thinking.
Lovely day. Yeah. You're gonna like it. If you don't like it, I'm sorry. It's like the front door. What? It's like the front door. Why did that side?
We're about to get stoned. How are you doing?
Oh, it sucks. No. I agree. Oh my God.
Well, calm music too, Garth.
It comes to song.
Oh my God, you're gonna die.
Yeah, I know. I've already embraced that.
Everybody put their hands down.
That wasn't that bad. Yeah, pretty bad at the beginning. There's another one? Really?
That's your touch. How you do? My baby, pretty good show is your bone.
What?
Pretty good show is your bone. How do you do? Mighty buzz and music. How do you do? Say baby, baby, how do you do? Pretty buzz, time to roll it along. It's time to move it along. What do you do? All the time. Time to be turning around. Time to be turning around. He's looking for a little more adventure. He's heading for
Computer, feeling sporadic. Being chased by rare fox and rare bear. As usual.
Dude, oh my god, he's crazy. What is that?
Let me out now. I need it.
Stop screaming. I think there's another jump. There
yes, sir. I hope Brother Rabbit takes me on again. I'm sure he's a good chucker.
Everybody's got lots of
It's in the dark. It's in the dark. Oh my god. Tell me that was in the dark.
little weasel, bro.
Hey! Over here! Hey, what's he doing, man?
Yo, what is that?
Wait a minute, Red Fox. Let's talk this over.
I bet you wish you never been born. I'm ready
Right up here. So you're
Hey, right here. Hang on.
A little bit. Good job, buddy. Yeah, Danny, let's go.
I need a minute. What? There's another drop? I thought it was over. Maybe. Wait, how many more drops? Pick up the cylinder ball slide when I need it. This isn't even a drop. I hate you. It's not even a job. Is there even another job? Is it like that one? Or... Okay. No, it's done. Oh my god.
Home sweet home is the lesson today. Don't you worry, Mr. Bluebird. I learned my lesson. I'm glad you can this time. Get ready. Mr. Bluebird.